guys, it's me Geet Khanna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you're thinking where I am, I am at Global Village. It is one of the best place to visit. It's in Dubai. It's a little far, but you can come, guys. It's very nice and it's so pretty, as you can see back, right? So, from here we'll start our journey, and it's very huge. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so guys, we are starting a journey from here. We are going this way. So here Statue of Liberty is also there, so very nice. Yeah, so here is Global Village, a bus. Such a cute thing, right? Yeah, see, it's just a demo piece only, but she's so nice. Did see telephone in olden days, how people used to talk? Yeah, it's so nice. Yeah, then put one coin and then we can talk. Such a nice thing. See, here even the Statue of Liberty is also there. You can see that hand. Yeah, here even the Baskin Robinson's there. Everything. You'll get clothes for sales and very nice thing. You right? See, if you want, we can go like this inside and then talk. So nice thing, right? Yeah. Just let's close this, yeah, and let's see here what we can get. Here also, even though you can get clothes, ornaments, monuments, anything if you want. So nice. Here are so many things to explore, so we will explore and see, and even though we will learn and take some knowledge also. So don't forget to subscribe my channel Geet's World, and please support me. And yeah, I love you too much. So let's go to another place in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so guys, we are going this way, and let's see what things we can see here. See, I told you, ornaments and monuments. Yeah, see, it's very beautiful here. Look, mosque. This is so amazing and beautiful place. Mashallah. See the art. So nice. See. It's so beautiful. Please visit with your whole family, okay? Yeah, you'll enjoy it. See, here as you can see, it's so beautiful and nice. Means it's just divine, lovely place. But if you want to come in winter, wear just warm clothes, okay? Yeah. Okay, come, let's go. So we are going to Turkey. We'll explore Turkey and see in Turkey what things is there, okay? What things are there to explore. So let's go. Okay, so we came in Turkey country. Yeah, but actually in Global Village, you can explore Turkey. How is Turkey in real? See clothes, ornaments, see? So beautiful. Yeah, right? See? This is so nice. Oh, I dropped one. Oh, my bad. I dropped one. Let's keep it back where it belongs. Oh, sorry. I got hurt. Not funny. Yeah. See Turkish ice cream over there. Then here everything you will get of Turkey only. So my family is seeing here something. So let them finish, then we'll go ahead, okay? Love you. Okay, so guys, in Turkey, you will get Turkey clothes, Turkey ornaments, Turkey carpets, Turkey's bed sheets, Turkey's beds, ornaments, and all. So that's in Turkey. Now we're going to a second country. Let's see which is the second country name, and means which countries are here. Let's go to the second country. I'll catch you there. Bye. So guys, we finished Turkey. Now we are going to this part. Let's see what comes. Here you will get stalls of Turkish and many more countries stalls also here. Then here you can visit any country you want. So now we are visiting Pakistan. So let's go inside and see what's in the Pakistan. Okay, let's go. Okay, so guys, we came in Pakistan and here are Pakistan's jackets, leather, woolen, then dress and dresses and so many things. Means everything made in Pakistan only. So it's very nice. So now we are going to that way and let's see what's there. Okay, love you and please support and subscribe my channel. Giswal, love you. Okay, so here as you can see, Indian dresses of Pakistan, made in Pakistan. Yeah. Then boys wear on the head, and here also clothes and see, leather jacket, woolen jacket. As you can see, it's very nice for winter. Yeah, here also the same. Here also the same, there also the same. So that's in Pakistan. Now let's go to another country and see what's there in another country and what's the name of the country. Bye, love you. So okay guys, we are going to Al Sana and let's see what's there in Al Sana. My whole family is coming. So come on, let's go and see what's there. Okay. So yeah. Here what we can get. Nice fragrance, huh? Nice. So here you will get ornaments. Okay, like statues. Of vase and something. Oh. So let's wait for my family, then we'll start the journey. Okay? Love you. Bye. Okay, so my family came. Now let's go and see. This is UAE. In UAE. Nice, right? Yeah. See? Clothes, abayas, gowns. So we are now going there and let's see what's there. Okay. So here are glowing dark. My family is calling me. So we'll see what happened. Then I will catch you. Okay, so we are going this side now. Here are glow and like merches, Among Us, TikTok and everything. But we don't want to go. And here are also the vests. And that's it. So that's in Al Sana. Now we are going to second country. And let's see what's there. And we will. This is second UAE. My aunt is telling. So let's see what's here. Gowns, because UAE people wear, ladies wear like these gowns. Then perfumes and clothes, books. But actually, one unique thing: Arab books are from left side, not from right. Yeah. So that's it. Because you saw, otherwise my fans will get bored. So we'll go to second country and see what's there. Okay, I'll catch you. are going to now another place, and now it's night almost because we took a eating break because I was so starving, so I have to take. Yeah, and look behind. So beautiful. So we are going to Europe. I don't know which. Let's see which will come in our line. So we'll go there and we'll enjoy. So let's just go. I'm super excited. I'll catch you there. Because we're going to Syria, so let's go and see what's there. Yeah, so here you will get clothes made in Syria. Women's, men's, kids, boys, everything. Yes, shoes, anything you want you can get. Yes. So you will get here that only. Now we'll see what's there and I will catch you. Okay? Till then, let's go there. Okay, so we are going to there, and here you'll get Syrian food, clothes, ornaments, vase and all clothes. So that only you'll get. So we are going to now next country and we'll see what's there. Okay? Otherwise, my friend, you will get bored. I don't want that, right? So yeah. So please subscribe to my channel, Gitsual. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please support me. So let's go to the next country, guys. Okay guys, so in Global Village now, there are not too much countries, but if I will show you, but the video will be very long and you guys will get too much bored, I think so. So in every country, you will get their clothes, then their shoes, ornaments, food, their culture, the traditions. So now in the 80s, you will get rides and monuments. I will take cinematic shots for you because now my camera is having less battery. Please try to understand, or otherwise I would really shoot. It's having less battery. I will try my best to take everything, but now I have to do voiceover because there is too much sound. So please try to understand. But ahead, enjoy, my friend. Love you. And one more thing, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share with the friends, family and relatives. I'll see you in my next video. Not next video, means try to enjoy. I will do voiceover because now the sound will be too much. There will be dances and all. So please try to understand. Okay, and now my camera is having less battery. Okay, so it will drain fast. I have not took a second battery. That's my fault. Next time, whenever I will come, I will take second battery. So you can see the whole thing. Okay, so enjoy the cinematic shots, the photos, the videos. And my friend, I'm really sorry. Please try to understand. Next time I'll take care. Okay, so that's my fault. I'm so sorry. Forgive me and enjoy it. Okay.
Okay, so guys, then we were just roaming here and there. Then there were so many rides. We went to some countries. It was so nice, just as I told you, clothes and all. Then we eat ice creams also. Baskin Robbins is very good there. Eat it. Then we went to so many areas also. We were just looking left and right. It was looking so nice. The lightings are also so amazing. Then we went to this side. We also saw some new things. Then we again went to some countries. Then again there was lighting. It was so beautiful. Means it was like divine place to see. Then again we went to this another corner of America, Europe side. It is also very amazing. but I couldn't understand what was the popular thing. But I think it was like the how they wear the clothes. Then there were fireworks in very beautiful designs and colors. See, as you can see, and one more thing I want to say: don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share with your friends and family and relatives, and subscribe to my channel. And please take precautions. Wear mask. Take some more masks with you when you're going to Global Village. Then take a sanitizer and take something to eat, or otherwise you will starve. I don't want that, right? So my fans should starve. So as you can take there also. There is also available as your wish. It depends on you. Yeah. So see, so many beautiful colors, then designs, and so many designs. It's very nice. In daily 9 o'clock it happens. You have to visit that. It's so amazing place. That's honestly true, guys. Just bring your whole family. They will be so much happy. They will enjoy too much, and then you will just get tired. Yeah. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and share. Bye.